Hello, it is Alder Transport Thing, and we're here at Euston Station. Today we are doing a trip report of the class 350. Here at London Euston is the start of the West Coast main line between here and Glasgow Central.
Watford Junction, Hemel Hempstead, Refurbished, Tring, Leighton Buzzard, Bletchley, Milton Keynes Central, Wolverton and Northampton. This train is full of anything.
Arriving onto platform 10, you can see there is a train there, another 350, and a Dash 2, which is the least favourite out of mine. Let's see what the front train is. Unfortunately, it's another 2, but it has a nice livery on the front, so you can't have everything. Let's hop on.
Welcome aboard is 1124 London Northwestern Railway service to Northampton. We shall be calling at Wolford Junction, Hemel Hempstead, Berkhamsted, Tring, Leighton Buzzard, Bletchley, Milton Keynes Central, Wolverton, and finally Northampton. We're scheduled for a time of 12:42. Ladies and gentlemen, please be nice. Face coverage are kindly managed on all national services, including this London Northwestern Railway service. Unless you have any exams, please make sure you make the face coverage is quite paid of your mouth and of your nose. Also, please follow the government guideline on the social distancing to aid with social distancing. First class accommodation on board of all London Northwestern Railway services has been declassified until further notice.
First class, we were originally going to sit in standard class, but it is declassified, so we may as well take the first class opportunity. Compared to first class, standard class has 3+2 seatings, no of these armrests, no tables, and importantly, no plug sockets. It also gets a nice feature that I quite like it. I can't quite tell if this is a handrest or a coat bag. Either way, it's a good feature of the train.
Welcome aboard this London Northwestern Railway service to Northampton. We will be calling at Watford Junction, Hemel Hempstead, Berkhamsted, Tring, Leighton Buzzard, Bletchley, Milton Keynes Central, Wolverton and Northampton.
The seats are reclinable. Let's do the legroom test, the thing which you know I do in lots of my other trip reports. It's quite good. There's perfect amount of space between my quite long legs, they are, and the seat. You get a massive table.
Welcome aboard this London. The next stop will be Watford Junction. So remember to wear a face covering over your mouth and nose when in a station or on board a train, unless you're exempt. Anyone that is not exempt from wearing a face covering could receive a fine from the British Transport Police.
Here is a little showcase of our carriage. A bit like with 450 that I sometimes take to go to Fleet. Compared to standard class, this definitely has a lot more padding on. It's not much, but it's comfortable. It is comfortable. You might see here there is a nice feature to keep your legs warm. And up here, reading lights. You can see that there is a luggage rack thing, which is good. As you can see, there is a nice little blind here, which covers up the entirety. There's another one there, and so if you want to cover it up all the way.
We are now approaching Watford Junction. This is the final station where a TfL validated Oyster or contactless payment card may be used.
Ladies and gentlemen, please change here at Watford Junction for London Northwestern Railway service to St Albans Abbey. This service usually departs from platform number 11. If you are leaving this service here at Watford Junction, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you. And please remember to keep your face coverings on until you leave our railway premises. This is Watford Junction.
And welcome to Watford Junction. End of part 1 with the unrefurbished 350, and we move on to a refurbished 350. And welcome to the second bit of the trip report. This bit is much nicer than the train we reviewed before. Here in first class, we'll have to be a bit quieter because it is jam-packed. It's not much different, apart from the maquette, which as you can see here is just like that, with onboard television screens. Just to add on, I didn't notice, but there is actually 2 plug sockets on these ones, down there and then down there. This bit was voice-overed, but I will just say that compared to the Dash 2's standard class, the Dash 1's standard class has plug sockets, 2+2 seating, tables, armrests, and the average sort of thing you'd expect on a commuter/regional train. And to also add that both of the trains that I took, which were 350s, had free Wi-Fi. However, it was pretty pointless. This was because it didn't actually work and it asked for many personal details.